What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video, and I hope you guys can hear me well because I'm going to try to use the GoPro for this whole video. So it's a little windy, so we'll see how it comes out. But today we're going to be working on the taco, so I'll show you guys real quick what we're going to be doing. Let's go on this side first. So I've actually wanted to do this for a while. I just haven't gotten lucky finding anything. But we're going to swap out this bench seat. So it is, I don't know if anybody's ever seen this bench seat on these, but they are terrible. Pretty skinny, so they're not really comfortable. This one is beat up, ripped there. It's also pretty dirty on the driver's side, and it just looks terrible. So we're gonna swap this thing out, and while we're at it, let's go in the shed real quick. And sorry that the shed is so, it might be a little dark. Let me turn the light on. Hopefully it's a little bit better. But I actually have these seats here that I bought for the truck. They're just regular bucket seats, but they're pretty beat up. My plan with these was to get them reupholstered, but that might get pretty expensive, and the bottoms are pretty rusty. And again, they are super dirty, and you know, they got holes everywhere. These are totally destroyed. Like, look at that. It is like terrible. Alright guys, so here we have it. So I actually ended up buying the 60/40 bench seat. So I actually put this one together last night, and I'll put a quick video of me putting that together. So here's the driver's seat. These seats are actually pretty clean. So like I said, and like you guys just watched, hopefully I can add that video in. I put these together last night. It's got the little armrest. You pull it on here, and yeah, not too bad. I still got to clean the inside of that, but this one's good to go. Very nice and sturdy. This one I still got to put the back on the passenger side. So I'm going to film that in a little bit, just letting them dry because I cleaned the crap out of them. Alright, so we got the seat bottom and we have the seat back. So the seat back, we got to put it on here. So these two holes right here, we have the two bolts, and they got to go way up in there. But I'm going to set you guys down and then we'll get in there. We're going to actually pull the seat cover back and then try to get in the bolts in there. Look at that, today is a beautiful day. All this, we had a snowstorm, but most of the snow is gone. Obviously everything is covered in water and all that. But yeah, it's a beautiful day. Wearing a t-shirt, squinting like crazy. But yeah, obviously, like I said, the yard is flooded, so I can't have the puppers out here. But let's get back to the truck and get that seat done. so the seat cover is on. So again, all you gotta do is pull it back down, and now this middle part, you just tuck it underneath. Tuck it under the seat. Gotta be careful. I think those are child restraints. So yeah, once it's under there, pull it out the back. And now all you gotta do is this little plastic piece overlaps that one, and that's it. All done. And there we go, guys. We got this seat all put together. These things are actually in really good condition. So let's go grab the last part of it, which is right here. And it's beautiful. Let's try it out. Oh, it's a little sliders are crooked, but oh, this thing is gonna be nice and comfy. Yes, sir. Nice and comfy.